Building information modeling BIM has emerged as a transformative force in Dubai's construction landscape, revolutionizing the way projects are conceived, designed, and executed. At the forefront of this technological advancement is Scon Design India Pvt Ltd, a company that has established itself as a key player in providing cutting-edge BIM services to the Emirates' burgeoning construction sector. BIM's integration into Dubai's architectural and engineering practices has led to unprecedented levels of efficiency, cost-effectiveness, and sustainability in project delivery. This digital representation of physical and functional characteristics of buildings allows stakeholders to make informed decisions throughout the project lifecycle, from initial concept to demolition. In Dubai, where ambitious architectural visions are commonplace, BIM has become an indispensable tool for managing the complexity of large-scale developments. Scon Design India Pvt Ltd leverages state-of-the-art BIM technologies to offer a comprehensive suite of services, including 3D modeling, clash detection, quantity takeoffs, and facility management solutions. The adoption of BIM in Dubai has been particularly impactful in iconic projects such as the Museum of the Future and the Dubai Creek Tower. These architectural marvels showcase the power of BIM in handling intricate designs and coordinating multiple disciplines seamlessly. Scon Design India Pvt Ltd's expertise in BIM has contributed to the successful execution of numerous projects, ensuring precision in design, reducing errors, and minimizing waste, all crucial factors in Dubai's drive towards sustainable urban development. Moreover, BIM's role extends beyond the construction phase, offering valuable insights for facility management and future renovations. This long-term perspective aligns perfectly with Dubai's vision of creating smart, sustainable cities. As the Emirate continues to push the boundaries of architectural innovation, companies like Scon Design India Pvt Ltd are instrumental in harnessing the full potential of BIM technology. The integration of BIM with other emerging technologies such as artificial intelligence (AI) and the Internet of Things (IoT) is opening new frontiers in construction efficiency. Scon Design India Pvt Ltd is at the cutting edge of these developments, exploring ways to enhance BIM capabilities through machine learning algorithms for predictive maintenance and energy optimization. This forward-thinking approach positions the company as a valuable partner for Dubai's ambitious construction